My people, matter don't reach me now from one woman. Omo, this one I beg, I don't want to talk anything about Yoruba people first before na crucify me. But the lady na Yoruba person, so now she don't come outside. Matter reach me, say this woman even want, she don't prepare everything down, say she dey kill herself. Just like that too. That's why when they say wetin happen, they say because man no dey come to marry her. No husband, so she don't frustrate, she don't, in fact, many wahala, you understand? And right now her family, her friends, everybody, everybody don't gather, they insult and they laugh and they come and say she be useless person. In fact, many things. So I beg for now, we don't know wetin dey shele now, because we say they're about to lose in life. Join me, make we listen to the woman.
Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti máàrí, gbogbo wọn ti máàrí, èmi nìkan náà ní òkú tí wá ní tí mo fẹ́ lọ gbé nǹkan jẹ. Ìgbà táwọn èèyàn wá ní ti máa rò bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tí bá lọ gbé anything jẹ pé ó máa ya Ọlọ́run máa ń ṣe ìyanu nínú ayé mi. Ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kúrò ní báyìí pé ti lọ wá ibò mi. Pé ti lọ wá iṣẹ́ ní ibò mi. Ọlá ni mo ń lọ nísìnyí, máa lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀bẹ ni ẹni nísìnyí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ fún àwọn pé wọ́n ti bá mi rí ẹni ọkùnrin ṣá léèyàn lè mú lọ sí ilé.
Bọ̀ nísì báyìí sìn ẹ̀yin wá ní sọ pé ẹni ọkùnrin ẹ má sunkún. Nísì báyìí sìn ọkùnrin tẹ́ máa nídìí tó máa tọ́jú yín tó máa jẹ́ ọkọ gidi, ọkọ alálùbáríkà.
My people, I know say many of una go laugh, many of una go cry, many of una go insult am, many of una go judge am. In fact, I know say everybody get your own opinion, no. You understand? But I want make una understand something first. Everybody they go through something for this life. No, seriously, this one no be joking matter. Everybody they go through something for this life. You understand? So me, from her own angle, I dey understand them. And many angles they concerning this matter. So we feel look at different angles. But me understand where she they come from. The problem for this woman now, no be say husband in quotes per se, you understand, although na part of the problem, but the thing wey even dey pressure her to the extent wey she even wan kill herself, my people, na because of the way people wey dey around her dey treat am. You understand? No, just imagine say you dey go through something, maybe you no get money, you never chop, then person come meet you now, still dey tell you nonsense, say how you no go chop at this your age, you no fit work, you know, those kind of pressure. So the thing don't enter the woman. See, e no dey easy o. Chineke. But now the thing now be say, no matter wetin person dey go through, I no know how una dey see this suicide mission thing. I never think am for my life o. Say I wan sit down, I don carry rope or wetin una dey use again, drink sniper, do this one. I never think am before say I go do am. No matter wetin I dey go through. Of course, I know dey talk say, I know dey try hype myself. I know dey perfect. But wetin I dey try talk be say, see, nothing should lead you to a point where you even wan take your own life. Mbanu. No matter what. Except say you die natural death. That one dey different. But say you won't use your own hand, can't cause your death. I beg. My dear, you see, nothing is worth it. Very important. No try am. This one way you no succeed. I beg you. I dey use this time now to beg you. No, see, next time I look for person where you go talk to. Now why I dey tell una every time? You see, it is very important too. Not be your secret I dey talk about, but if you notice say something dey worry you, look for person where you trust. Deliver the matter. It go shock you. Solution fit just come. Area where you no even imagine say solution go come from, it go come. You understand? Very important. And now people they die because of money. Imagine this one can't they die because of man. Una still say this life not even balance. Hey, wahala we both straight. Money, man. I bet who you go choose? Because we are all working for money. So at least, I know they support say me you die for money, but at least if at all anything we even take you out of, you understand, make it be saying that something we dey very worth it. Man, they plenty, my sister. But now my question be say, because now I don't dey think this thing 2 times now. Hope say this woman no be part of the people where they dey young. You understand? If man come approach her, baby, I love you. I have a boyfriend. You know, see some girls they like that. Hey, even when they know they date, just so that they go drive men away. I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. Now see am, she don't end like that. I know they don't say make una date everybody wey come una way, but see, sometimes you need to give love chance. Maybe na wetin don cause this one wey can't reach this age. The woman don old o, no be youngie like that. I no understand though. Seriously, sometimes if I sit down, they think some kind of thing. How be say person go love another person to a point where she even won't care herself for the person? I no just I say I no fit take my life for man. Wetin happen? Make I come die for you. The one way Jesus do, no do. Make I come kill myself. No, I be waiting. Make una sit down think well. And as for una parents, stop dey put pressure on your children. Go and marry, go and marry, go and marry, go and marry. Wetin? If na like that easy, everybody for don marry. Some people get their own plans. And see, no be everybody come this world say they go marry. And they no write am anywhere say na sin. They no write am anywhere say you go fire if you no marry. Marriage no be achievement o. Marriage no be achievement because some of una don't even carry am on top una head like say na everything wey una come this world come do. Better things are there. Of course, marriage is good, but better things are there. So make una know. See, I bring these things so that una no go just dey confuse una self. You understand? It is very important, my sister. You no need husband right now. The way they see you, you need money. You need to look for a job. Make yourself useful. You go see how men go they rush you. Because nowadays men don't want all those if liability where any small thing. No. They don't need that. They define woman way, of course, respectful, but make the woman get sense to do something for herself. Very, very important. You understand? So and now I bring this matter now. Because now for Nigeria, it don't become sin. If woman don't reach age to marry and she no marry, it don't become sin. Now they nonsense questions go they come. When you go marry now, you know go your husband house. Some of them will even they ask you, when we go chop your wedding rice now? Rice na rice, oga, go chop rice if you want chop rice. Simple. So no allow, ladies, don't allow anybody to pressure you. No allow them. Anybody will bring this matter, put them for your seat. Very, very important. And as for you, as you succeed now when you no die, I hope so you no go make this nonsense mistake again for your life. You understand? Very, very important. If you can take care of yourself, men will always come. Men know they finish. Okay, although this period where we dey now, oh my people, I don't they fear small because all of them don't they turn to gay. So now why I also they look the woman side. You understand? Because maybe she don't they fear self say this one where all of them don't they go that side. Say who go come marry me? My sister, no worry, we still have good ones. In fact, reliable and eligible men, they still dey there and they go find you. You understand? Just work and make your money. Very, very important. My people, I hope say this thing now where I talk, it no be only this woman, I go don't save many people. You understand? Now why una need share this video because person fit still there side now they plan to kill herself. Oh, very, very important. And make sure say una subscribe and drop that comment. Any matter where you think say I talk or I not talk, drop and I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.